Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you are feeling well. And now I am so glad to greet you. Do you know where our country announced its independence? Glad you are right. Our country announced in independence on Augustus 17, 1940. But do you know the figure being of our country independence? Not yet? Okay, don't worry. Because I didn't like to tell you about the figure behind the independence of Indonesia. So now, please listen to me. Student, we know that the proclamation of Indonesia independence gave a very important meaning to the Indonesia people. And there are 8 national figure who made it realist. To are Mr. Soekarno, Muhammad Hatta, Ahmad Subarjo, Admiral Tatsi Maida, Sukarni, Fatmawati, Sayuti Melik, and B.M. Dia. Then the first figure is Mr. Soekarno. Mr. Soekarno is one of the people who contribution in established the Republic of Indonesia as a sovereign state. Bung Karno was born in Blitar, East Java on June 16, 1901 and died in Jakarta on June 25, 1907. Bung Karno drafted the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadashi Maida with Bung Hatta. Then the second one is Drs. Haji H. Muhammad Hatta or Bung Hatta, was born in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra, Agustus 12, 1902, died in Jakarta, March 14, 1918, at the age of 77. Bung Hatta completed to the text of the proclamation with Bung Karno and Bapak Ahmad Subarjo. He consigned to the text of the proclamation on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Karno. Muhammad Hatta is Indonesia first vice president. Then the Dir Ahmad Subarjo. Ahmad Subarjo was born in Karawang, West Java on March 23, 1896 and died on December 15, 1978 at the age of 18 years. He is Indonesia first foreign minister. Ahmad Subarjo is one of the figure from the old group who play role in preparing the proclamation of Indonesia independence. Ahmad Subarjo participant in compiling the concept of the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadashi Maeda with Bung Karno and Bung Hatta. Next to the fore is Admiral Tadashi Maeda. Admiral Tadashi Maeda was a high-ranking officer in the Imperial Japanese Navy. He helped Indonesia draft the text of the Proclamation Indonesia. Proclamation Indonesia Independence by inviting this important figure to his house and letting them use it for very important activities. At his house, granted national figure who have made major contribution. For Timor, the 50 is Sukarni. Sukarni was born in Blitar, East Java, on July 14, 1916. Died in Jakarta on May 17, 1997 at the age of 54 years. His full name is Sukarni Kartodiwirjo. Sukarni was youth leader and hero who was resistant against the invaders. Sukarni proposed that Bung Karno and Bung Hatta seek the text of the proclamation of behalf of Indonesia. Next to the Sikh, Fatmawati. Fatmawati whose real name is Fatimah is Insinyur Soekarno wife. He was born in Bengkulu 1923 and died in Jakarta in 1918. He was buried in the Heroes Cemetery in Kalibata, Jakarta. Fatmawati saved the Saka Merah Putih flag which was raised at the proclamation of Indonesia independence of Jalan Pengangasan Timur number 56 Jakarta. Next to the 70 Sayuti Malik. Sayuti Malik is a youth figure who is also very important in the proclamation of Indonesia independence. Sayuti Malik typed of proclamation script to the perfect is from Bung Karno handwriting. And the text of the proclamation, original written by Soekarno, was the typed by Sayuti Malik to make I look neat. Then one of the youth who attended the preparation of Indonesia independence is B.M. Diah. B.M. Diah to the original manuscript from the trash and kept it. He considered to the text to have a high history. The original manuscript that were kept by B.M. Diah for 46 years 9 months and 90 days, were later returned to the Indonesia nation. Here broke the original text of the Proclamation of Indonesia Independence on Tuesday morning 90 May 1992 at its 10:30 WIB and heads over to President Soeharto. The manuscript was kept by the National Archives on Soeharto recommendation. Muhammadiyah decided to keep the original manuscript was very courageous. Therefore, all Indonesia people have been able to enjoy the original text of the proclamation and have learned a lot from what happened at the time. Okay, student, that's all of eight national figure being the independent of Indonesia. They are national hero that we should respect and remember. We as young generation of Indonesia should keep in the independence by raising devoted feeling to our country. And I think that's all our talks today. Thanks for listening to me. Keep motivation. See you next time. Bye bye.